new secondary drain pan. I'm gonna flush our line set here. Everything back here. I don't know if that's grounded in the basement or not, but I'll find that out. As you can see, we got some PVC leaking here, so we're gonna replace all this PVC in the closet. Over here, this is the only return air, so this is a 16 by 20. We're gonna increase this to a 16 by a 20 by 25 to bring it, and then it's going to go further up this wall here. So on our furnace here, we'll end up putting a new drain pan in, installing a new sleeve right here, a new pan, new wet switch. We're going to connect to the existing PVC that they have running down to the basement area.